I'm Alex Johnson with Dean Team Golf Carts, and today we're going to be installing a trailer hitch on a RXV. So first we're going to need to line up the bracket with the back seat footboard. And you're going to want to line the middle of the bracket up with the bolt that's right here. When you get it lined up, you're going to take your Sharpie and make two little marks where the bracket holes are. And you want to make sure that the wider holes are where you mark what you mark with your Sharpie, because this is for the mounting side and this is for your trailer hitch, the smaller side. On the back trailer hitch mount, I recommend doing it or mounting it the same way as the front one, because if you mount it the other way, it just will not line up properly. Now we're going to tighten it up with a 14mm socket on a ratchet. I've got an electric ratchet, but you can use a regular ratchet as well. And I recommend tightening up the mounting bracket that mounts to the cart first, and then you would want to tighten up the hitch once you get it set in place properly. We will tighten up the hitch itself. Make sure it's nice and tight. You're going to slide that in there, find the hole that's on the side here, and put your pin in. And then you take this cotter pin and just push it through the hole on the other side. And there you go. That's how you put a trailer hitch on an RXV Valor.